platform, like you would think of a wiki, like Wikipedia on the web, where people can contribute, use, edit, and build it around themselves in a social way. As part of Scraperwiki, we run Hacks and Hackers Hack Day. So it's a full day where we get together developers and people who code and use the web, put them together in order to get data which is interesting for telling a story, for finding out information. So we get them together, they pick a data set, they pick a topic, and they create a story/platform, because a way of telling a story might not just be through text and video, but also now more often through web applications, through mapping things, through aggregating things, or allowing people to build on top of it to get more information in the form of crowdsourcing.
My name is Hannah Waldron.
And I'm Dan Grosvenor.
And our project today is called Open Senate. The idea behind it is to make voting records from the National Assembly for Wales more open, transparent, more accessible. So hopefully people will be able to come to our site and find out a little bit more about their local assembly member and how they've been voting on various topics and issues in plenary meetings.
I'm Izzy Kaminsky.
I'm Edward Gomez, and we're looking at scraping the government education reports for Wales and getting out some interesting information about whether there's a match between, well, first off just scraping the information because they're all contained in PDFs, so that's quite complicated itself, and then trying to visualise whether the information that they hold can be plotted geographically about things like whether there are free school meals, and then we were going to overlay on that other stuff like whether they're involved in doing science things through a network of telescopes that I work for and am involved with.
My name is Joni Alexander, and our group is called Skillset, which means school in Welsh. And what we're trying to do is sort of replicate what Skillset has done, in that it's interrogated lots of Ofsted reports and made, basically visualised a lot of the numbers and jargon into words and pictures that people can really easily look at and understand and see what their school is like, what their local schools are like. So if you're a parent or even a student and you want to know how good your school is in certain areas and what other people have rated it as, you can go to this site, type in your postcode and find it.
I'm Charlie from Project Blasses. Blasses means tasty. We are officially the food hygiene mashup map, and we are basically mapping all of the food hygiene ratings that have been provided by Consumer Focus in Wales. And we're putting them all on a Google map so anyone can go to it and look them up for whatever reason. Whether you're looking for a less dodgy midnight kebab or a decent restaurant, or perhaps you're looking at schools for your kids and you want to know what the canteen is like, because it covers everything from hospitals and caring facilities right through to what you'd expect, you know, your local cafe, that kind of thing.
Gareth Modelice, Biz Tracker, a group of us working on a project where you see a map, you can see the companies on that map, and you can see when they were started, when they, you know, how they're sort of ongoing, the density of them, and when they've dissolved. What that'll be useful for is if, say, a local superstore is opening near you, you can have a look at other cities where that's happened and see what effect it had on smaller stores.
I'm Sarah Hartley from Guardian Local, and Guardian Local's been a sponsor of these Hacks and Hackers Days in various locations around the country. Here we are today in Cardiff, and I'm looking forward to seeing what the hacks come out of Cardiff are. The whole point of us being involved in it really is to see what people in the local areas that Scraperwiki goes to can do with different data, what sort of data they're interested in and how they might work to sort of collaborate with us on journalism projects.
My name is Glyn Mottershead. I'm a professor professional tutor in digital journalism at the Cardiff School of Journalism, Media and Cultural Studies at Cardiff University. I'm one of the judges at the Hacks Hackers event. We got involved a while ago after seeing the Scraperwiki at a Newsroom Wired event. We talked to our new crew about actually bringing an event down to Cardiff.
It's a wonderful day. We've got people of all different skills. We've got journalists, people interested in data, people who can hack data. It's a good chance to actually pull everything together and produce some really cool apps.
I would definitely recommend the event. I've had a really good day. I've got a lot out of it. It was great fun. I'd recommend anybody, whether you're a hack or a hacker, to come along.
It's been a worthwhile experience. First time I've worked in a team of developers. Learned a lot about picking up data, how data's accessed, the openness of data or not, and just the general way that people go about finding these sort of information for stories, like with the journalists and things.
It's been a brilliant day here in Cardiff. I think opportunity to share some good ideas and really bounce around those thoughts with people who share sort of similar skills but slightly different skills. So you've got your coders, you've got your ideas people, and it's been a really good day from my point of view, yeah.